up, guys? The best advice as a new artist that I can give you is to always be yourself. Look at your art and think of it as a masterful piece of art. Struggling as an artist is very real, and sometimes you gotta take breaks. I had to take a break for personal reasons, moving, family, balance, etc. So, as an artist, I always value quality times with the ones you love, take breaks, do all of those things, get yourself back in the mind frame and in the fold. So when you get back to your art, you're ready to go. I always remember that. Keep working on your art. My first chapter hasn't come out, but I'm gonna get back to working on it. Um, I see a lot of people on Instagram inspiring me, and keep the frame there. Stay in the mood to do it and stay consistent with it. No matter what no one says. Always stick to it. Always work on your part. And never let nothing stop you. JM Martin, I'm signing off. Keep creating.